Right, we are going to start today's phonics lesson by looking at those tricky words. Now, I'm going to write them on the board and I would like you to shout back at me what you can see. So here we go. Here's the first word. Well done. It's I. Two. Here we go for a next one. No. See, if we have no, we always have go. Well done. Now, what about this one? That's right, it's the. And one more. Well done, it's in two. Now, can you see those? Brilliant remembering, guys. I would like us now to focus on these three tricky words. And I'd like to ask you, why are they tricky words? What is special about I, no, and go? Who can tell me? Shout it back at me. That's right, they're all saying their letter name. I is saying its letter name. The O on the end of no is saying its letter name. And the O on the end of go is saying its letter name. Well remembered, so we have I, no, and go. That all are tricky because they're saying their letter names. I says its letter name, the O on the end of no, and the O on the end of go. So we have I, no, and go. Now it's going to be your turn to have a go at writing these tricky words. So please get ready your pencil and your piece of paper. Here we go. So what's going to happen is I'm going to shout one of the tricky words out and you're going to have 15 seconds to write it down as quickly as you can. And they're going to be the tricky words that I showed you on the first page. So here we go. Here's the first one. Can you write for me? No. Quickly, see if you can write no. There goes my timer. Did you write no? Well done. I'm going to write it now. First it's an N and then an O. No. Right, moving on to our next one. Can you write for me the word two? Can you write two? Well done. Have you done it? Two. So to spell two, it's a T and then a O. Come together to spell two. Right, one more tricky word. Here we go. Pencils ready. I would like you to write the. Have a go at writing the. I'll give you a trick. It's got 3 letters in it. There goes the timer. Have you done it? Now, the is a little tricky. It's 3 letters. It's a T and a H and then an E on the end. The. Have a look at your tricky words. Have a look at mine. Do they look the same? Well done if they do. Right, today I'm going to teach you a brand new tricky word. So are we ready? So I'm going to write the tricky word on the board and it looks like this. Shall we have a go at blending it? Oh, that doesn't sound right, does it? Does anybody know what this tricky word could be? Shall I tell you? Are you ready? It's they. You say it. They. they, like they all went to the park. They are in foundation. They, you say it. They. It's like we can hear an A sound in the middle. It's like we can hear an A sound, like A saying its name. But I can't see it. The E and the Y are coming together to make that sound. A. So the E and the Y are making a funny A sound, like A saying its name. You say the word they. Fantastic. Say it again. They. Well done. So today we are going to continue looking at our consonant diagram, our T and our H. Now yesterday we did the short sound of well, today we're going to look at the longer sound. So let's listen to that song again and see if you can spot the longer sound. Here we go.
Did you ever hear a rude clown make this sound and that sound? Did you ever hear a rude clown say the?
That's right, it's so stick your tongue right out and go say thumb. Can you say that? Thumb. You say it? Thumb. Well done. Say thumb. Let's have a go at blending some words that contain our longer consonant digraph sound of our T and our H. Now remember, our T and our H are two letters coming together to make a brand new sound. Our consonant digraph, and that sound is today. Right, here we go. So I'm going to write the phonemes inside my phoneme frame. So I'm going to write the graphemes. I would like you to tell me the phoneme sound. We'll take it really slow and we'll do it one at a time. Then we'll have a go at blending it all together to read the word. Here we go. The first one is, that's right, The next one, oh. And then on the end is our new consonant digraph of the longer sound. Let's have a go at blending that all together. Off, 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 off. That's right, the word is moth. Fantastic reading. Right, are you ready? Let's have a go at another one. Are you ready? We'll do the same again. I will write the graphemes, the letters. You shout back at me the phoneme sounds. Then we'll push them all together to blend the word at the end. Here we go, our first one. Well done. I. And on the end. K. Let's have a go at blending this all together. I. K. Oh, have you got it? Sounds like some of you do. Let's try again. Ick. 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 Thick. Well done. The word is thick. Miss Haytner likes a thick chocolate bar. Thick. Brilliant. Let's have a go at one more. Here we go. Are you ready? I. Here we go. Let's blend them all together. I. Have you got it? I think some of you have. Here we go. Thin. Well done. The word is thin. Fantastic. You say it. Thin. Right, now we're going to play a game of Beat the Clock. So, using what you learnt yesterday and today, I would like you to have a go at blending to read these 6 words. But the trick is, you've got to beat the timer. So I'm going to set a timer for 1 minute, and I want you to see if you can blend to read these words before the timer goes off. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Well done. Did you manage to beat the clock? Oh, fantastic reading, everybody. Right, let's move on. Right, are we ready? So we are now going to finish off our phonics lesson by writing a sentence. Now, don't panic. We are going to take it one step at a time and we will do it all together. Are you ready to hear our sentence? It is, a moth can be thin. Shall we count how many words we can hear in our sentence? Get ready, count with me. A moth can be thin. That's right, there's 5 words in our sentence. And our first word is a. Have a go at writing that for me. Start your sentence using a capital letter and write a. Right, have you done it? Have you wrote our first word in our sentence of a? I'm going to write it too, look, on my line. And I'm using a capital letter and writing a. Now, who can remember what was the second word in our sentence? That's right, it was moth. 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 Press pause and have a go now at writing the word moth. Have a go. Have you done it? Brilliant. I'm now going to write the word moth. Are you watching? I'm leaving my finger space and I'm going to write moth. And remember, look, I've used our new consonant digraph of T and H to make the th sound. Moth. Right. A moth can. Can. That's the next word in our sentence. Have a go at writing that for me. Press pause and write it now. Have you done it? Brilliant. Can, watching me. A moth can. Brilliant. Now don't forget you need finger space and then we need to write our next word. And our next word is be. Be. Now remember, that's a tricky word. It's got 2 letters. Be. Press pause and have a go. Well done. Have you done it? B, B, and then E on the end that's saying its name. B. A moth can be. And our last word is thin. Thin. I, n. I, n. Press pause and have a go at writing the word thin. Well done. That looks like some fantastic writing. Thin. Atina H. I, n. And then to finish off my sentence, I need a full stop. A moth can be thin. Fantastic sentence writing, guys. We've got one more thing left to do. Right, are we ready, guys? To finish off, I'm going to challenge you to write one more sentence. I would like you to write the sentence, they are with mum. They are with mum. Have a go at writing that sentence now. They are with mum. And I put some tricky words on the screen to help you. Press pause and write the sentence, they are with mum. Fantastic. Have you done it? Right, here we go. I'm going to write the sentence, they are with mum, and I'd like you to double check if they look the same as yours. Here we go. So they, starting with my capital letter, are with mum. They are with mum. Does yours look the same as mine? Well done. What a fantastic phonics lesson we've had. And I'll see you all again soon. Bye.